Tough and rugged meet powerfully smooth. The Revo 2.0 Power Scooter is built for all your adventures. Command the path ahead of you. This scooter dominates grass, concrete, rock, and gravel with powerful suspension for a smooth ride. Go from trailblazing to compact storage in a snap. Easy feather touch disassembly offers portable convenience. This compact powerhouse delivers. The Revo 2.0 is packed with features like underseat storage, keeping your keys and wallet close at hand. A USB charger keeps your cell phone charged, and LED lighting offers great visibility. Cruise at speeds up to 5 miles per hour. With a 400-pound weight capacity, the Revo 2.0 is tough and durable. It's the perfect choice for your active lifestyle. The Revo 2.0 is the power scooter for you.
Hi everyone, my name is Corey and I'm a sales rep here at Vive Health. Today I'm going to be talking about our three-wheel mobility scooter. It's just one of the many power mobility options we offer here at Vive. The first thing I want to point out is that the scooter breaks down into 4 pieces, making it ideal for travel with the heaviest piece weighing only 29 pounds. It uses 2 12-volt batteries that give it a range of roughly 12.4 miles and a max speed of 3.7 miles per hour. The battery can be charged while attached to the scooter, or it can be removed for convenient off-board charging. The flat-free, non-marking tires make this scooter ideal for indoor or outdoor navigation. Another cool feature is the detachable swivel seat. This is going to provide you with versatile seating options on the go. You can find the link to our three-wheel mobility scooter in the description below, or go to.
When it comes to mobility solutions, iLiving is your #1 choice in foldable scooters. Mobility travel looks effortless with this machine. It's made to be a fun, easy experience. Yes, it's compact and lightweight. Yes, its versatility will allow it to go anywhere you want to go, like your favorite park or even rough terrain. But let's get into the details of the i3 and why I find it truly amazing. The i3 is a true 4-wheel scooter, crafted from heavy-duty, aircraft-grade aluminum, so it's safe and stable. This scooter only weighs 53 pounds, but it has a weight capacity up to 300 pounds. It has a good range, and it's built with a roomy chassis, so you'll feel comfortable the entire ride. The obvious wow factor is its toolless folding capability, where you can easily fold down and transport in and out of your car. Now let's look at the steering and the dash. Not only does it have excellent turning capacity that handles well even in rough terrain, the dash itself features an advanced user interface elegantly placed to keep you informed of its status. The i3 uses a lithium battery, which is both powerful and extremely lightweight. It has a second compartment for a spare battery, allowing you to double your travel distance and get 14 miles on a single battery charge. We're also the first foldable scooter to equip the battery compartment switch, making it easier to switch power from battery 1 to battery 2. The i3 is so feature-rich for such a tiny device. There's a storage compartment on the floorboard, a USB port to charge your cell phone, and a durable cushioned seat for maximum comfort. The i3 also offers a convenient optional portable car charger, allowing you to charge on the go. Designed and engineered in the US, iLiving undergoes extensive factory testing to ensure each i3 scooter has long-lasting durability. It's truly state-of-the-art. Up your quality of life and reclaim the active and independent lifestyle you deserve. Just about anywhere you want to go, the i3 can travel with you on trains, planes, cars, coaches, and cruises. So now you don't have to sit around anymore, daydreaming of all the places you can go, because the i3 is ready to go with you in seconds.
The search for a high-quality, practical indoor-outdoor scooter just got easier. Introducing the eWheels EWM34 Portable Mobility Scooter. The EWM34 is packed with value and has the longest range and lightest weight of any travel scooter on the market today. The four-wheel design ensures stability, and its size makes it easy to get around, no matter where you are. It features a non-slip platform and swivel executive seat with movable armrests to make getting in and out easy and convenient. And with a 300-pound capacity, fits most riders with ease. You'll also find easy-to-use controls and a Delta tiller for complete control, even in tight environments. And with a 10-mile operating range, the EWM34 is ready to go whenever you are. With the EWM34, the details are what makes this scooter stand out, like a large detachable basket with carry handle, bright front headlights, heavy-duty front bumper, and designer aluminum wheels. One of the most outstanding features of the EWM34 is its ability to be broken down into 5 lightweight pieces to make transporting it from one destination to another a breeze. In just 5 easy steps, the EWM34 is ready to go. The EWM34 can be shipped unassembled or fully assembled and ready to ride right out of the box. So if you're looking for a stable, reliable scooter with loads of features at a great price, look no further than eWheels.
Are you or a loved one struggling with mobility issues, making it difficult to enjoy the activities you love? Introducing the Vive Health 4-wheel mobility scooter. This compact and versatile scooter provides a comfortable and safe way to get around whether you are navigating indoor or outdoor terrain. With easy-to-use controls, adjustable seat, handlebars, the Vive Health mobility scooter is designed to fit your unique needs and preferences. The 4-wheel design provides added stability and support, making it a reliable choice for individuals with balance or stability issues. The powerful motor and long-lasting battery ensure you can travel further and navigate uneven terrain without running out of power. With its compact size and lightweight design, the Vive Health mobility scooter is easy to transport and store. Take this scooter with you when you travel or fold it down to save storage space. Don't let mobility issues hold you back from living your life to the fullest.